Hey there, I wanted to make this quick video for you. If your Nest Cam with a Floodlight is not connecting, what you can try to do, maybe it's going to work out. So the first thing is that you want to ensure the camera is plugged into the power source. Then you want to locate the reset button. It's going to be right on the top here, on the back of it, of the camera. You want to press the hold for 10 to 15 seconds at the reset button, and then what will happen, the status light is going to blink yellow 4 times and listen for a countdown tone. You want to continue holding for button for, let's say, more seconds until the status light turns solid yellow and you hear a confirmation tone. And then release the reset button, allow the camera to restart. Now the camera will appear offline in the app and try to connect it again. Another thing that you can try to do is try to use different device. This is like also if you have, let's say, Android, try iPhone if it's possible. And that's pretty much it. What you can, maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. I hope it does. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.